Getting good yield from crops. To get a good yield from crops, following things should be kept in mind. Healthy seeds of best variety should be used. Before sowing the seeds, soil should be prepared by plowing and adding manure or fertilizers to it. Soil should be watered at right time and with right amount of water. Crops should be protected from diseases and harmful insects and animals. Insecticides and pesticides should be sprayed in correct quantities. Crops should be protected from grazing animals. Harvested crops should be stored properly to protect it from moisture. Moisture causes growth of fungi and bacteria. Crops should also be protected from rats, insects and other animals.